Hello, everybody. Had a question come to me about phasing and what phasing means, and so I thought up a simple demonstration to show you. I'm just using a transistor here that is common transistor. The configuration that I have it in is a jewel thief, and I have it hooked up exactly like that with jumper wires, okay? Except my light that I'm using here, this is actually a 25 watt light, and as you can see, it's pulsing and doing all kinds of things. I don't know if you can hear the sound of it. It'll get real quiet, but anyway, the coils are magnetically coupled and phased, and if we can see the meter there, it's 0.22 amps. Okay. Now then, the first thing I want to show you that to phase these, I'm going to try to hold this to phase these with the light. Let's see if I can get a picture. Okay. When I pull these apart, you'll notice that the light goes out. Okay, and when I slide them together, the light comes on. Okay, if I flip it over, they won't phase. Okay, if I get it on the right side on the side of it, then I can get it to blink, but it won't phase. Okay, so just wanted to show that, and I'm drawing 0.33 amps at this point in that configuration. So I'm going to flip this back over and put it in phase, and I'm going to magnetically lock it. Okay, and there's a strong magnetic attraction that's happening right there. See how much brighter the light gets, and so it's strongly magnetically coupled. Okay, so anyway, at this point it's 0.25 amps, quarter amp, off a 12 volt battery in this configuration. Now then, you may be able to see the light as I change the resistance. I change the resistance, and my frequency goes up, and you actually hear it. Alright. Now, one of the cool things about frequency is you get it really high, you lose your magnetic resistance. And that's all I'm doing, is just changing the frequency through resistance through that transistor, and the magnetic force, as I try to go backwards, has changed. What's really cool about that is I'm driving that light with 0.01 amps off 12 volts, and so as the magnetic frequency goes up in the coupling, you lose that wave. Okay, as you slow it down, and I'm going to change the resistor, just change the resistance. Okay. So anyway, that's just kind of demonstration of in phase using those coils. You can actually hear them clicking and bucking, but you got your strongest magnetic link at a slow pulse, and as the pulse increases in frequency, it gets less. And you can directly receive that by low resistance, how much amps is pulling, high resistance. So you can get more work done to a light. Now this is a 50 watt LED lamp in this configuration, and but wanted to point out that as your frequency increases, you have a crossover point to where your phasing is more efficient. Enjoy, and I hope that's a good learning experience for you as it was for me.